This video is going to expose 7 of the most common YouTube tips that small creators like you and I need to stop following right now. Look, YouTube growth isn't about just efforts, it is about strategy, and chances are if you are still stuck under 1k subscribers, you have been given advice that is outdated, vague, or just plain. Quote me anyways, and I know that because I have followed it too, and it cost me time, energy, and growth. So before you burn out trying to post or obsessed with SEO and all that shenanigans, let's talk about the advice that sounds smart, but at the end of the day they do more harm to your channel than good. Number 1 is post every day to build momentum. This sounds great until you realize that posting daily often leads to one thing, which is burnout. It usually means that you will rush your videos and you will have low quality videos to put out there, and there is no time to improve on your content. YouTube does not reward volumes, it rewards viewer satisfaction. Yes, quote me anyway. That is why you see that your videos do not move, you don't have views as you should, because you have not taken time to strategize and ensure that you are making videos that will give you watch time, click rate, and also retention. These 3 things are very important. So I would advise that instead of trying to post every day, just focus on 1 video per week and make it being worthy, and spend time optimizing your hook, title, and thumbnails. I have videos that can help you do that, so you can go and watch that. Number 2, they'll say just do SEO and you will rank. SEO is not magic, but you can have the perfect tags and keyword, but if your title does not spark curiosity or your thumbnail does not get clicks, it won't matter. YouTube algorithm does not rank based on keywords alone. It ranks on how long people are watching your video. So yes, use searchable terms, but also make your title clickable and your content watchable. Number 3 thing they say is long videos equals to more watch time. People told me make 20 minutes videos to get more watch time, but if your audience only watch 2 minutes, it sends a clear signal that your video is not worth watching. A 7-minute video with 70% retention is more powerful than a 20-minute video with 15% retention. Make a video as long as you want. If it's not valuable, people are not going to watch it. It is not about how long, it is about how valuable. So focus on giving value. Be it 20 minutes, be it 7 minutes. Ensure that what you put out there is not just wasting people's time, but you're actually giving them value. The 4th thing is your content just sucks. Yes, I've heard this too, and honestly it is a lazy advice. Telling someone their content sucks without context helps no one. A better approach: look at your analytics. Where are your views dropping? Why are your viewers not watching your video? All this can be seen in your analytics. Instead of just listening to advice that say that, oh, this niche is good. No, go back to your channel and look at your analytics. You will be able to know what is wrong with your views. The thing I can advise is, before you give up on your channel because somebody says your videos are your content sucks, please fix your hook. Don't waste time when you start your videos. Don't be saying, oh, please subscribe to my channel, or hi everyone, my name is this. Please fix your hook. Go directly to what you want to say in your videos. Nobody has time to know you, to know your name or how you're doing. Everybody wants value. The person that clicked on your video wants value, is actually searching for something, not you. It's what you want to say they want to hear. Add visuals, and I already posted videos on how to edit your videos, so go and check that. Practice pacing. Great content is learn, not luck. Watch videos on YouTube on how people talk in their videos and also incorporate that into it. The 5th one is copy what big YouTubers do. If you try to copy Mr. Beast or any other big YouTuber without the team, the budget, or the audience they have, you are setting up yourself for a failure. So don't listen to that advice. I will say go and copy big YouTuber. They can break the rule and just post anything they like because they have already gathered the momentum. Instead, study creators at your level who are growing, and then adapt those tactics to fit your voice and your niche. This is very true. You see those people that still has small subscribers, and you can see that they have a growing account. Their account keeps growing. Those are the people you should follow, because honestly, those are the people at your level, and you can actually understudy them and know what they are doing right, and also grow along with them. Not the people that are already there. Those people that are already there, they can do anything they like. Even if they cough in their video and they post it, their subscribers will watch it because they already have an audience they built, and it's a sweat of over 3, 5, 6, 7 years that got them there. So that you are still at this basic level. Don't go and listen to the advice that you should go and copy somebody that's at a big that is already a big creator on this space. The 6th point is jump on every trend. Trend can bring quick views, there is no doubt about that, but usually not relevant subscribers. The better move, only use trends that align with your niche, otherwise you will confuse the algorithm and your audience. I have said it before in my video, it's short and straight. Only use the trend and things that are going viral on social media that aligns with your niche. Don't just use anything, don't just jump on any trend. The 7th point is buy better gears to look professional. I know creators with 100,000 subs that still films with their phone. It's not about having $2,000 camera, it's about clear audio and good lighting, and most importantly, a message people care about. Start with what you have, then you can upgrade later. Finally, I'm going to be sharing with you what actually works now, this year that we are in now. Here, what creators are doing now to grow their accounts. They are dialing into thumbnails and titles. I tell you, thumbnails and titles are very, very important. Please invest so much in ensuring that your thumbnail is up to par. It's not just basic. Look out for thumbnails under the same topic you want to talk about or the video you want to post, and try to do what they already did, but just ensure that you add more to it. Ensure that your thumbnail is telling a story. Ensure that your title is driving curiosity. That is what we do now. The second thing is also let your analytics be your best friend. Study your audience retention. See, go back to your previous video and go and look at how they did and where the viewers were watching. Everything that you need to know about your previous video in your YouTube studio. Go and check them and use that information to create better content. The third thing is stick to one focus niche. Don't jump from one niche to another. Ensure that your audience know what you stand for and also stand for what you know. Don't copy anybody. Be comfortable with what you are sharing and be able to stay there for as long as, even if they wake you up, you are able to say one or two things about the niche you have chosen. You don't need to jump from one niche to the other. And the next thing, which is second to the last thing I'm going to be sharing, is post consistently, not constantly. Don't do daily, because you're going to burn out, and once you burn out, what you are afraid of will still eventually happen because you will not be able to attend to your channel. So do ensure to post consistently. Have a schedule. Is it Tuesday you post? Is it Wednesday you post? It is better just do once a week if you can. Don't do 2 times a week or 3 times a week when you can do once a week. Nobody's chasing you. Then the last one for me is build relationship in the comments and community tab. I'm going to use myself as an example. Once I see your comments under my post, I am going to engage you. It's not about asking you about personal things. I'm going to engage you within the confines of the YouTube, ask you questions, let us discuss, build relationships so that people can trust you. They know that it's a real human being that is behind that camera. It's not a robot. Even in the world that we are, that AI is taking over everywhere. And it is a way to ensure that people know that, oh, this person is somebody that I can trust. This person is actually, he has feelings like me, and they can actually relate to what I am doing too. If you're falling off for any of these bad tips, don't beat yourself. The difference is now you know what to fix. If you're ready to grow smarter and not harder, hit the like button, subscribe, and also check out my other videos that will also help you grow your channel. And hey, tell me in the comment section, which of these tips have you fallen for? Because me, I have fallen for virtually everything when I started. They say knowledge is power. Knowledge is the key you need on this channel. It's not about like just listening to everybody that speaks to you about how to grow your channel. That will be all for this video until I come your way with more videos that will help you and build your channel. I remain your media assistant. Toodle.